Welcome to my channel Options Trader today. So today in this video I will explain you how the price of crude has moved in the last week and how the price of crude can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart of crude, what you can see that crude is creating a pattern after pandemic when it started going upside. What this pattern says that whenever it is hitting its previous high, we have seen a sharp fall is coming. Okay, and this sharp fall, what this sharp fall says that whenever it is hitting its previous high, we have seen a sharp fall is coming. Okay, and it form a swing, that is where it goes upside. And I'm keep repeating you from my third, when it hit for the third time, I was telling you that it can go further high by creating a pattern. You can check my 2021 videos where I explain you this. And whenever it hits it's a new high, a sharp fall comes. Okay, so before we move ahead and explain you where the price of crude can move in the next week, if you have any doubt, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com and one more mail ID in the description. Please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link I've given in the description, you can join that too. Okay, now this is the particular high. After making this particular high, there is a continuous fall we have seen. Okay, and this is the level where the price of crude is moving for so long. Okay, so if the price sustain this level, what you can see, probability is very high it can go further upside towards a level of around $73.28, which is already being tested here. Okay, so chances are high if this level sustained, it can touch a level of around $75 after 73, and this is already being a weak resistance, so chances are high it can touch a level of around $76.62, and if that level move further upside, then we can see it can go further upside and can touch a level of around $77. Okay, keep it in mind, once started moving above $77, then a probability is that we can see it can touch a level of around $78.59, and from there we can see it can move further upside towards a level of $80.5. Okay, this $80.5 is already being a weak resistance. Again I repeat that 77 is a strong resistance, so once it started sustaining above 77, then this will act as a support, so chances are high if this sustain, it can go further upside, and then once started sustaining above 77, we can see a level of 79.86 to a level of 80.61, and once started sustaining that level, we can see a level of 83.49. okay, so once the price sustain above that particular level, chances of touching a level of around 85.53 is there. Okay, so once the price sustain above 85.5, yes, you can say that it can go further upside because 85.5 is a strong resistance. So if it sustain above that particular level, chance of going further upside is there, and then we can see a next resistance coming at around 86.99. okay, so once it sustain above 86.9, then a probability of going towards 88.55 is there. Okay, why? See, look, these are the some of the resistance that you have to understand. Overall trend is downside. Till the time it is not moving above a level of 83, you cannot say that it can go further upside. Okay, because it is moving in a zone. Okay, these are the some of the resistance that you have to keep it in mind. Suppose if it hit a particular resistance, probability is high that it can hit a next resistance, so you can trail your SL and you can make a good profit. Okay, so suppose, see, market is always uncertain. What you can do is you can trail your SL or keep an SL so that your capital can be saved. Okay, that is very important. Okay, so what you can do is you can set a limit for a particular day. Suppose if you lose some amount, X amount, that you will exit the trade for the day and you will trade the next day. You can keep it for a week so that your capital can be for a month or for a particular trade. So that, see, suppose if you lose $5 or $50 for a particular trade, so capital is $1,000 or 10,000. So you, for trade, you are keeping a stop loss of around $50 or $100, $500, $1,000 as per your convenience. Okay, I teach how to set your SL also for a particular trade and for a particular weeks and all. If you want to attend that workshop, and we can work out on the timings. Okay, so this can save a capital. So when the profit, when you see a good trade, then you can make good profit. Okay, now understand, when the market can not go sharp rise or sharp fall, till the time there is no big event is coming. Okay, so how market moves, it halt for some time, it goes upside, in the same way it will halt for some time, then it break a zone and then it's come down. So suppose if the price didn't sustain, what you can see, it can come down again towards a level of around $69.21. Okay, and if the price fall below $69.21, chances of touching $66.91 is there. That is already being a weak support, so chances will be high. We can see it can go further low, and a probability of touching a level of, after crossing a level of 66.91, we can see a level of $64.95. Okay, so if that also fall, then a probability of touching a level of 63.59 is there. Okay, so once the price fall below 63.59, then a probability is that we can see it can cross that particular zone and can come down towards a level of $62.52. Okay, and if that level also didn't sustain, then chances of going further low will be there, and then we can see a level of $61.21. that is already being a weak support, so chances are high it can touch a level of around $59.23. Okay, so $59.23, if that level also didn't sustain, it can cross further down and can touch a level of around $54.60, and from there we can see a level of 52.23. Okay, as soon as it breaks this particular zone, which we have not seen since March of 2021, so you have to keep it in mind. If the price fall below a level of 59, chances of going further low will be there, because there will be a zone breakout will be there. Okay, so once started falling below $60, chances of going towards a level of 60.71 is there, and from there we can see a level of 58.13 to a level of $67.20. If the price fall below that level, then we can see a level of 54.14 after falling 57, then we can see this. But as soon as it breaks a particular zone of $61.47, which is a weak support, so we can see it can go further low. Okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail IDs also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, subscribe it.